Hello. This is the OAuth verification demonstration for our application, Emalia. Here you can see our app configuration in the Google Cloud Console. The application name is Emalia, and this is our project Emalia Mail. Emalia is an email marketing platform. This is our production application hosted at emaliamail.com. I am logged in as a user. I will now show how a user connects their Google Sheets account to import contacts. I go to Integrations, find Google Sheets, and click Connect. This is the Google OAuth consent screen. You can see the application name, Emalia. In the browser address bar, you can see our OAuth client ID. The application is requesting a single scope, read-only access to Google Sheets spreadsheets. The consent screen language is set to English. I will now click Continue to grant access. After granting access, the user is redirected back to Emalia. Google Sheets now shows as connected. I click the Sync button. Emalia uses the read-only Google Sheets scope to read the spreadsheet and import the contacts, name and email address, into the user's contact list. This is the only use of the scope, importing contacts into the user's email marketing lists at the user's explicit request. Emalia does not modify the data and does not share it with third parties. To summarize, Emalia requests read-only access to Google Sheets for the sole purpose of importing contacts into the user's email marketing lists only when the user explicitly requests a sync. Thank you.